Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Delta parts is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining your home's plumbing system. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, knowing how to identify and replace these parts can save you time and money. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Delta parts, exploring everything from common replacements to troubleshooting tips. Number 5. Universal Kitchen Faucet Head Replacement with 15 Adapters. This replacement head comes with 15 adapters. They are designed to fit most major faucet brands like American Standard, Moen, Delta, and Kohler. It's easy to find the right fit for your existing faucet. The sprayer offers 3 water modes: stream, spray, and flushing. You can easily switch between them using the buttons. This allows you to handle various tasks in the kitchen. The package includes 15 faucet adapters. You can easily choose the one that fits your faucet. Please note that it is not compatible with Pfister Glacier and all type of RV and magnetic faucets. Made from durable ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean and prevent rust. This design helps to save water and energy. Installation is quick and easy, taking just minutes. It includes an aerator key, O-ring washer, Teflon tape, and a screwdriver. Simply unscrew your old faucet head and replace it with this new one. What we like. This replacement head comes with an impressive 15 adapters, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of faucets. It offers 3 versatile water modes to handle any task. If you have multiple faucets or frequently upgrade your kitchen, this is a great choice. It's easy to install, making it a convenient upgrade for any homeowner. What people say. Delta parts replacements are easy to install. The product is a perfect fit. The product works as expected. Number 4. Delta RP28595 Chrome Replacement Parts. This is a replacement part designed specifically for Delta faucets. It ensures your faucet functions like new, maintaining the quality you expect. The single metal lever handle is for temperature control. It's designed for easy use and precise adjustment of water temperature. This part is made exclusively for Delta faucets. It's a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. This replacement part is made to the original specifications. It guarantees the same quality and durability as the original component. This part has been rigorously tested to ensure quality performance. You can rely on it for long-lasting and dependable use. It has a sleek chrome finish. This not only looks great but also provides resistance to corrosion, ensuring it lasts for years. What we like. This is a genuine Delta replacement part, designed specifically for Delta faucets. It's made to original specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you are looking for a direct replacement for your Delta faucet, this is the ideal solution. It's a simple, yet effective way to restore your faucet's functionality. What people say. The Delta parts replacements fit perfectly. The product was exactly what I needed and works great. The parts were easy to install. Number 3. Ecokitchen Replacement Sprayer Head. Register your product at Ecokitchen5starsllc.com to activate the 6-month warranty. This ensures the authenticity of the product and provides quality assurance, including California CEC certification. Made from high-quality engineering-grade plastic with a brushed nickel finish, it's scratch-resistant and rust-resistant. You can be assured that it won't drip when properly installed. Replace your old faucet head effortlessly, with no tools needed. This kitchen sink sprayer attachment makes upgrading your kitchen simple and efficient, without needing extra parts. It comes with 15 adapters to fit various connections, including major brands like Moen and Delta. Please note that it is not compatible with Pfister or Glacier, so check your setup before ordering. Experience stream, spiral spray, and double aqua blade modes. The unique double aqua blade mode powerfully flushes away debris. Just press the button to switch between the 3 modes. This product features advanced spray nozzle technology, saving water while delivering powerful cleaning action. You can enjoy efficient cleaning without wasting water. Enjoy consistent, leak-free performance with this kitchen faucet replacement spray head. It's designed to withstand daily use and keep your kitchen running smoothly. What we like. This kitchen faucet head replacement is designed for wide compatibility, including Mohn and Delta faucets. It features 3 different spray modes for various cleaning needs. If you like a versatile and easy-to-install solution, this is a great option. It's a simple upgrade that can significantly enhance your kitchen experience. What people say. The Delta parts replacements fit perfectly. The product was exactly what I needed and works great. The design is well made and functions as expected. Number 2. Universal kitchen faucet head replacement with 15 adapters. This replacement head is designed to fit almost any major brand faucet. It comes with 15 adapters, making it compatible with brands like Kohler, Mohn, and Delta. You can easily find the right fit for your existing faucet. The sprayer offers 3 convenient modes: stream, spray, and flush. The powerful flush mode makes it easy to rinse away food debris. Switching between modes is simple with the 2-button design. The package includes a comprehensive kit of 15 adapters. This ensures that it will fit a wide range of faucet brands and models. Refer to the included manual to select the correct adapter. Made from durable ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, this sprayer is built to last. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean and resist rust. It is designed to prevent leaks, saving water and energy. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools. Simply unscrew your old faucet head and replace it with this new one. The multi-mesh aerator also helps to prevent splashing and filters out impurities. What we like. This universal replacement head is compatible with Kohler, Mohn, and Delta faucets, among others. It offers 3 convenient water modes for different tasks. If you are looking for a simple upgrade with a wide range of compatibility, this is a great choice. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your kitchen sink's functionality. What people say. The Delta parts replacements fit perfectly. The product was exactly as described and was easy to install. The parts were of good quality. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Faucet Head Replacement. This replacement head is designed to fit almost any faucet. It comes with 15 adapters, making it compatible with major brands like Mohn and Delta. You can easily find the right fit for your existing faucet. The package includes a comprehensive set of 15 adapters. This ensures that you'll likely find one that fits your faucet. Refer to the included manual for easy selection and installation. This faucet head offers 3 convenient spray modes: stream, spray, and flushing. The flushing mode provides powerful water flow to easily remove food debris. Switching between modes is simple with the built-in buttons. It's made from durable ABS plastic with a stylish brushed nickel finish. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean and prevent rust. This design helps to conserve water and energy. Installation is quick and tool-free. Simply unscrew your old faucet head and replace it with this new one. It also includes a multi-mesh aerator to prevent splashing and filter impurities. What we like. This faucet head replacement is almost universally compatible with various brands. It features 3 different water modes for different cleaning needs. If you like a versatile and easy-to-install solution, this is a great option. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your kitchen sink's functionality. What people say. The Delta parts replacements fit perfectly. The product was exactly what I needed and it worked great. The parts were easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.